I'm going to show you how you can turn the phone you already have into a professional business phone system. You'll be able to get a dedicated business number, make and receive business calls, set up a professional greeting and voicemail, and route calls based on how your business actually works. Because when your business runs through your personal cell number, everything gets mixed together. Your business calls, your personal calls, and even spam calls all come through the same number. You can get away with that when you're just getting started, but if you want to grow and look more professional, your personal number starts holding you back. So instead of buying another phone or setting up some complicated office phone system, everything runs through one simple app you can set up in minutes. Let me show you how it works. So the tool we'll be using to do this is called Unitel Voice, and you can click the link below and you'll be taken to the Unitel Voice site. And now all we need to do is hit get a number. Now you have three options here. You can port your own number if you have an existing number, or you can get a new number and you can get a local number. So if your business has like a local presence or you just want to seem more local, then you can get a local number. Or if you have a more national presence, then you can get a toll-free number, which also just makes your business look a little bit bigger if that's relevant to you. So with a local number, for example, let's say we're in Miami and we look for a 786 area code, and we can grab a number just like that. And if we want a toll-free number, we actually have a few options. We can get an instant toll-free number, or you can get a vanity number if you want it to be like 1-800-YOUR-BIZ or something, or you can get a true 1-800 number, the OG 800 extension. But all of these 8 extensions are all toll-free. So unless you really want a vanity number or premium here, you don't need that. So just go to find number, and then you can make some choices here. You can change, but you can just stick with the one they recommend. You can pick a different number if you like the ring of it or something, like maybe 555 here, since that's easier to remember. Next, you just need to choose a plan, and they have the startup and unlimited plans here, and this is what I recommend for most people. The only difference is the number of minutes and the number of users. So if you're just getting started, this is perfect. If you already know that you have a lot of usage or you have a lot of users you want to bring on, you have a bigger team, then you can start with this one. Now the office plan is actually if you also want a desktop version, if you want to call from your computer, and if you want to do team messaging, and then there's some other team features here. But for most people, one of these two plans are going to be perfect, and that's what I'm going to focus on. So just pick your plan, complete all the info, and fill in your payment details, and you can then hit create your account. And they also give you a 30-day money back guarantee, so if it's not working for you, you can just get your money back risk-free. Now that we have our number, the next step is setting up the phone system. But before we do that, let me quickly explain how this works. So Unitel is an app that lives on your phone. So instead of using your personal number for business calls, you have a separate business number that runs through the app. That means when a business call comes in, you know it's a business call. And when you call a customer back, you're calling from your business number instead of your personal cell. You don't need a second phone. You're still using the phone you already have, but your business calls now have their own separate layer. And this works the same way for anyone else on your team. They can install the app on their phone, and then you can route business calls to the right person without ever giving out their personal numbers. Now you can also set it up so your business number just forwards to a regular phone number without using the app. Personally, I don't think that's the best setup for most people, because then you lose some of the separation between business calls and personal calls, and you miss out on some of the app-based features as well. So for this walkthrough, I'm going to focus on using the app. From there, the next decision is what should happen when someone calls your new number. And this is where everyone's setup is going to be a little different. If it's just you, you might want something simple. Someone calls your business number, here's a short greeting, and then the call rings inside the app on your phone. If you have someone helping with admin, sales, or scheduling, you might want those calls to go to that person instead. And if you have a small team, you might want a menu where people can press 1 for sales, 2 for support, or 3 for billing. So there isn't a one-size-fits-all setup. And here's the thing, a lot of phone systems usually go one of two ways. Either they're too complicated for small business, or they're so basic that you can't really shape them around how your business actually works. But this gives you enough flexibility to set up the kind of phone system your business actually needs without making it feel like a huge technical project. And if you don't want to figure this out yourself, they have US-based support and free setup calls. That's what I did. They hopped on the line with me, walked me through setting up everything step by step, and I was up and running in a few minutes. So I recommend taking advantage of that. It makes the whole setup much easier. But for this walkthrough, I'm going to show you a setup that includes some of the most common options so you can decide which ones make sense for you. Once you understand that, the other setups are just variations of the same basic idea. So once you've created your account, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your extensions. And now you see I have a number created here and I'm going to explain it all for you. But when you first come here, you're just going to see extension 0. And basically these are just the extensions your phone system is going to use. So you can set up your employees and you can set up your departments and you can see the numbers that people would press in order to reach those employees or to reach those departments, just like any other phone tree you've used in the past when you call it professional business. So the first thing you'll want to do is create your own extension. And so just hit the plus extensions button. So this would be your extension number. You can choose whatever you want, then just fill in your first and last name and your email address. Next, you're going to want to disable forwarding and turn on the mobile app. So like I was saying, you could have it just forward to your actual cell phone number. But again, the mobile app's just going to give you a much better experience. So turn that off and turn on the mobile app. And of course, you would want to keep voicemail on. Next, you can see your voicemail greeting here.
Thank you for calling. Please leave a message.
And it's pretty standard, but you can actually upload your own custom greeting. You could record new audio if you want to record your own voicemail. Right here, just hit the button. Or you can upload audio if you've already recorded it somewhere else. And then you want to make sure that your voicemails go to your email address here and copy that. Next, here's where we set up our mobile app, and we just need to install it from the Google or Apple store. So just install that on your phone, look up Unitel Voice, and then once you install it, you'll see it right here on the login screen, and you could type your username and password that you see here, or you could hit scan QR code right here and then just scan the QR code and it will instantly log you in. Now lastly, you'll want to turn on admin since this is your account and billing, and then just hit save. And just like that, we can see my extension I just made right here. And so now when someone calls your phone number, if they know your extension 702, then they can call you directly, and they can call 701 for this one and 700 for this one in these examples I've set up. Now, the mobile app lets you basically manage everything just like you can with the portal you log into. So you'll see your inbox here when you actually start getting voicemails, and you can see all the calls you've made and all the other options you find right here in the portal. And of course, you can make outbound calls so that when you call people, it's actually coming from your new business number. You have your address book, and you can even view your history, but of course we don't have any history as we just created this. So once you create your own account, before you add anyone else, we need to create our departments, because that is how we're going to be able to assign people to the right department. So basically what these departments are the options you typically find on a phone tree. If you call a big company, it'll be like press 1 for sales, press 2 for support. So if you want to have a greeting and a phone tree that has those options, that's how you set this up. So here in this example, you can see that we have operator 0, 1 for sales, and 2 for support. By default, they create extension 0 for you because it's something a lot of people are familiar with, and they just start hitting 0 when they hear a greeting. So it's just the default. So what you want to do is hit edit, and then you can change the department number if you want, but we need 0. I always recommend everyone has 0, and you could call that like operator or whomever you're going to be sending that 0 extension to. And then you want to keep on forwarding and voicemail. If you turn forwarding off, it becomes just a voicemail inbox. And that might be fine if you want something where they don't need an immediate response and they can just leave voicemails. But we're going to turn on forwarding, and then here is our voicemail greeting. And remember, this is the voicemail greeting for this department. So if someone calls this department and no one picks up,
thank you for calling.
and again, you have the same options. You can do standard or custom, and you can upload your own or record your own. Again, you can get an email with the notifications for the voicemails. And now this right here is where you assign how people get assigned to a department extension. So I just deleted that one to show you from scratch. Just hit add forwarding number, and then let's say we call it Kevin Main, because that's the one that we just created, and then hit add. And now what's going to happen is when that number is called, if they press 0 on their phone tree, it's going to go to Kevin Main directly. And I'll actually call the number and show you how it works in the end once we're done setting everything up. And so far we've just created the one employee extension and the one department extension. But let's say we want to add one more employee. Just hit the plus button and we just go through the exact same setup, and you can see this person is now 701, Kevin 2F, and we could turn on the mobile app for them. We could do forwarding, and we would set all this up just like we did previously, and everything would stay the exact same. And the only difference is you might not want to give them admin, and here you can actually give them access to specific extensions so they can check their own voicemails and get calls from their own voicemails, but they could also log in and see calls and voicemails from other extensions. So this would be relevant if you want them to be part of one department but not another. So let's just assign him to operator as an example, so he can also check the operator mailbox. And then we just hit save. And then in order to invite him to the app, we just hit the button invite extension, and it will send an email address off with his login details and the QR code so he can just log in. So exactly the same way we did, and you would just repeat that process for each of your employees. So that's how you make more employees. Now let me show you how to add more departments. Just hit the plus button and we can give it a department number. Let's say this is 3, and let's say this was billing, and you just go through the exact same setup that we just followed. Set up the voicemail and then assign a person, and then just hit save. Now, one other thing I want to quickly show you here is what if you wanted to ring multiple people at the same time? For example, with sales or support, maybe you wanted to just go to whoever is available. So you would just create it like we did, and under here you would just go to add forwarding number and just pick another person and add them, and then you can choose if it rings them at the same time when that extension is set, if it's shuffled, or if it's in order. So now the way we've set it up, when someone hits extension 1, it rings both people's app at the same time, and whomever picks up first actually gets the call. So once we've set up our phone system here, the last thing we need to do is set up our greetings. So just go to settings and go to greetings. And now this is the recording that's going to play when someone first calls your number. So this is going to be, in our case, press 0 to speak with someone, press 1 to talk to sales, press 2 to talk to support, press 3 to talk to billing. That's what we set up. So you would want to record an appropriate voicemail that has that. So by default, it's just going to be very generic like this.
Thank you for calling. To speak to the...
So you just need your recording to match what you set up, and you can record it yourself or you can upload something, but probably the easiest way to do it is actually just go to studio.unitelvoice.com after you create your account, and then you can actually get a free AI voice greeting if you want them to just create it for you.
Hello. Thank you for calling ABC Company.
Right? Or you can actually get like a human to do it for only $10, and so they handle all of this for you, Unitel Voice.
Thank you for calling ABC Company. For sales, press 1.
And so all you need to do is go to this page and just go start here, go I'm ready to order, and just fill in the form. And they'll take care of it and send you your custom greeting to upload. And now that we finished the setup, let me show you what happens when someone actually calls your phone number and what the whole experience looks like. So here we are making a call, and this would be someone calling
Thank you
you.
for calling. To speak to the next available representative, please press 0 now.
So I'm gonna hit 0, and you can see it just popped up on my screen and I can answer it. And this way, you always know which calls are personal calls and which calls are business calls, because the notification and the interface is instantly different. So that was just one example of how you could set up Unitel Voice if you have multiple people on your team and you want to route calls to different departments. I showed you that version because it gives you a good sense of how the system works when there are a few moving pieces. But your setup can be much simpler than that. If it's just you, you could have your business number ring directly inside the app with no greeting at all. Or you could still have a professional greeting and then have the call ring your line. So it really depends on how you want calls handled in your business. And again, I recommend using their free setup call. The team can walk you through the setup and help you get it done in just a few minutes. If you want to check out Unitel Voice, I'll leave a link down below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tools and systems that can help you run your business more professionally and efficiently. Speaking of which, check out this video right here, YouTube recommended specifically for you. I'll see you in there.